Hello everyone. This is in continuation to various problems what we are doing in integers. The next is question number 10. Find the value of 8 by 27 to the power of minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 32 by 243 to the power of minus 1 by 5. So first of all, if I interchange the numerator and denominator, the sign of power can be changed. That means I will rewrite this as 27 by 8 and the power of 1 by 3. Similarly here, 243 by 32 to the power of positive 1 by 5. Now this 27 I will rewrite it as 3 to the power of 3. 8 I can write it as 2 cube, this whole thing to the power of 1 by 3. 243 we can think about factorizing it. 3, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. That means it is 3 to the power of 5. And 32 is nothing but 2 power 5 to the power of 1 by 5. So this numerator will become 3, or individually you can do 3 power 3 to the power of 1 by 3. This is 2 power 3 to the power of 1 by 3. This is 3 power 5 to the power of 1 by 5. This is 2 power 5 to the power of 1 by 5. So this becomes what? This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. This gets cancelled. Ultimately, it is 3 into 3 by 2 into 2, which is 9 by 4. That's the solution for this particular problem. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.